You know what's trending right now? I'm not talking about COVID or anything like that. Actually, this thing has been trending for the last few years, if not from even before. I'll tell you what. So, the thing is, first, number one, find a system that is creating success stories, that is making people money, that is creating millionaires or something like that. This is number one. And number two is get into something like that and try it once. Yes, that's the important part. Try it once, only once, not more than once. And number three is fail at that. Failures is part, that's true. But number three is fail at that. And number four is quit and spread rumors. They are saturated, they don't work, they are stupid, it's a scam. This is the trend right now. People fail at it once and they spread rumors. It's a scam. They are saturated, it's over competitive, it doesn't have any opportunity, and so on and so forth. Now that's the biggest truth people don't talk about. That's the greatest trend of the last few years and it's going to continue for sure. So it's the same thing with theme pages now, which is the topic of this video. I'll be explaining why it's not saturated, why there's plenty of opportunity still there with Instagram theme pages, and how I got started in 2020 this year itself and created some good pages. And more importantly, what I'm particularly proud of is creating my own strategy to increase followers, and it's a very good strategy. I'm proud of this. I don't know if this has been found by somebody else or not, but I found this on my own, so that's particularly what I am proud of. So in short, what does saturation mean? Okay, so what I think, saturation means that when there is a lot of demand but if there's less supply, when there's more demand but less supply. But ask yourself one thing, is it the case with theme pages? Nah, I don't think so. And if you are thinking so, then you are wrong over here. Yes, because theme pages, the demand has certainly gone up, but parallelly the supply has also gone up. Earning opportunities are going up, e-commerce is growing, so there's a lot of opportunity with theme pages right now. So there are plenty of ways with which you can earn from Instagram theme pages, but what are the main ones? So number one, selling shoutouts. Number two, e-commerce stores. Number three, selling merchandise. Number four, affiliate marketing. So what's the parent category? The category under which all these four lies: affiliate marketing, selling merchandise, e-commerce stores, selling shoutouts. What's the parent category? Yes, it's e-commerce. And do you really think that e-commerce is going down? No way, e-commerce is going up, and that too exponentially. And how can someone say that e-commerce is saturated because Instagram theme pages are just a subpart or a way to e-commerce? E-commerce is the main thing, it's going up and it's not going to come down. So if you are in the business niche, then you know what is the biggest trend right now. What's all over Instagram, social media, YouTube, Google, everywhere. This thing is all around. It's very popular right now. I'm talking about e-commerce, Shopify, WooCommerce, dropshipping. These things are blowing up and everyone is getting into it. With the popularity of Shopify dropshipping, people are getting into it constantly. What does this mean? They need a marketing platform, and Facebook ads is way too saturated and way too risky and way too expensive. And Google ads is, no, people are not getting into that. That's not very much famous and popular. But Instagram influencer marketing, that's the biggest platform for Shopify dropshippers. I'm saying this because most people getting into Shopify dropshipping are on a very tight budget. That's why Facebook ads is not an option for them. It's very risky and very expensive and it doesn't guarantee sales. But this is proven by now that Instagram influencer marketing is proven to get you sales on a very high ROAS, return on ad spent, and also on a very low cost investment on ads, I mean. So this means more and more people are going to hit you up asking for your promo rates. They are going to take up your ad space for a decent amount of money, and over time ad rates are going up and up, and depending on the niche you are in, you can charge them a good amount of money. If you're in the business niche, oh my god, that's the most expensive niche. You are going to get a lot of money for your ad space. And it's same with other parts of e-commerce. If you look at affiliate marketing, nowadays you will get products that offer you up to 100% commissions. Now there's a secret behind why they give all of the money, all the 100% in commissions. I'll tell that in some other video. But if you see, affiliate marketing also has some very good opportunities. E-commerce is growing, e-commerce is not going to stop. So theme page is just a sub part, a marketing method of e-commerce. So it's not going to stop. There's a lot of opportunities with theme pages. So it's like you can get in theme pages today and come out of it after a few years, only if you want to come out of it. Because when you build a theme page, you don't only build a page with contents, and you don't only earn money, you build an audience, a loyal audience who you can control. You can control that audience. That's the biggest part. You can make them do anything you want. Obviously there's going to be a conversion rate for every action they take. So even with those low conversion rates, you can do a hell lot of things. You will be having an influence over that whole audience. So basically, if you have seen many big influencers do these, do good things like promoting charity organizations, promoting things like elections, promoting dog adoption, blood donation, and I've seen this for many COVID patients. They have found a quarantine home, people who don't have access to quarantine places. So that's an amazing thing. So having an audience that you control is a big thing nowadays. It's more than money. It's beyond what I can explain. I'll be falling short of words if I want to explain this. You'll be having a group of people whom you can control, who will listen to you, who are loyal to you, no matter who you are in the real world. That's the power of an audience. So summarizing everything, you can start a theme page now and build it over time into a very good page, and it doesn't take a lot of time to reach 10k followers. Even if you're a beginner, within 3-4 months you can do that. Theme pages are not going anywhere. You can use theme pages to earn a lot of money. You'll be having an influence over a big audience. You can do good things. You can promote good things with a good purpose. So talking about niche, I'll be making a separate video on the best niches you can get into, but I'll always suggest that get into a niche in which you are personally interested in. You may also have some questions like the fishing niche or the camping niche. These don't work whole year round because these are seasonal niche, but that's where you are wrong. For example, I'll always ask you to choose a niche with a passionate audience, and camping and fishing, these audiences are one of the most passionate ones. They love going to fishing, they love their adventures, their gears. So basically they enjoy the whole summer, and after summer ends they wait for the next summer to come. So basically they're always on fishing and camping videos. They always watch videos around this, so you will be getting a hell lot of engagement even when it is not summer. And when it is summer, you can start selling your things. You can start doing whatever you want with your audience. You have an influence over them. So for example, now it's winter, like this is October or November when this video is getting posted. What you can do is you can start building your fishing or camping page, and in the upcoming few months build it into a good page, and when the summer comes, start selling your things. If you have an e-commerce store, or you can also run ads. As I said, very passionate audience. You can charge good amount from the advertisers as well as the audience if you're selling your own products. And this is applicable to all other niches out there. You can start anytime you want. You just need to be dedicated and make a good page out of it. It's not tough, it's very simple. You just need patience, a few months, 3, 4, 5 months, and you'll be on 10k followers. If you're following my videos or the right strategies, you'll be 5-6 months and you will be hitting 10k followers. That's not a very big thing. And if you're wondering when to get started, I'll tell you one thing. Yesterday was the best time and today is the second best time. You can start any time you want. So that's it for this video. The conclusion is theme pages are not saturated, and the people who are telling these, don't listen to them. They are speaking bullshit. They are speaking rubbish. If you haven't subscribed yet, go and subscribe right now and hit the bell icon for the post notifications, because I'm going to drop a crazy ton of value through my videos.